Hello, this is Cat Cali, Princess Cali, and this is a cat house meditation. As you see, I did a lot of meditation, and I worked on getting her a nice cat house. So she can groom herself and she can play. One problem I have is this has to be different from this. So I'm trying now to remove and to put the correct one. Otherwise it's gonna be tall, and I will show the box in a minute. So it took a little time to organize all these numbers and letters, but I see the good results so far. I originally put here double-sided bolt, the same bolt which went into this hole when it requires long bolt. This diagram is a little bit unclear, as well as normally for all of this assembly, the internet videos are available, but for this particular house it is not available. So the double-sided bolt goes to this side, and long bolt will be applied here. So I have the wrench which I used, and now I have to do it again. This is the box from the tree house. It's called Look Out Loft, large cat 8-level cat tree. So we see the cat is here. Yes, and I'm practicing. I have one more shelf to finish. I put little catnip for her so she can be happy, and this will be the look. I want to talk a little bit about cat food and about whatever I learned so far. I hope it can be helpful to anybody who owns a cat. And I got her some cat grass as well from Petco. So this is a project, active meditation on a cat tree house. Yes, Cali is presenting the superstar. Okay, I put this long bolt here, and this double-sided bolt is on this side. So now I have to put back this scratching post and another shelf. This is so far the look. Here we can add little bell from other toys, and this is another little bell here. So this part of the tree house where I did not put the correct bolt, I had to redo. So I removed those two, and then I removed the long double edge, and I put this one here. And the scratching post requiring two double edge bolts. One goes from here to here, one goes from here to here, and then I have to attach this last piece, this shelf. Okay, at this position, the tree house is completed. So catnip goes into every little part. I will put some treats for her. She already used the scratching post. So this is the shelf 1 and 2. So this is assembly. There's no here. It's good to put little bells, like I said, so they're gonna jingle. There is no assembly video for this particular cat house. I didn't see it, but as you see, it looks steady and nice. There's still 3 long bolts left, but there's really no way to place them, except one I can place here in this location. So will be two of them left then. Okay, I'm gonna place it. Okay, this is the last bolt here. Two are left. I don't know what's the purpose of them because every one I put in. Okay, this is a completed assembly. We have 2 extra long balls left.